In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to buy XRP. And to do that, you can use other kind of platform, but in this video, I'm going to use this Binance.com, which offers a two-factor authentication. So from here, all you need to do is to simply sign in your account on Binance.com, and on the top panel, you can start proceed by simply clicking the Buy Crypto button on the top left corner, wherein you'll be able to be directed on this page, where all you need to do is to simply select here the cryptocurrency that you will receive, which is XRP, and the currency that you will pay for it. And you could also consider some of the market prices and conversion rate of XRP in here before you start buying this XRP. But basically, after choosing your payment method and completing your order, you will be able to receive the cryptocurrency of XRP. And to secure the environment for storing XRP, you could also use this hardware wallet to transfer from your Binance account. Or alternatively, you could also use some other crypto wallets such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and many more, which will help you to manage and utilize the cryptocurrency, which is essential for accessing and controlling cryptocurrency holdings. So basically, you can easily purchase XRP on Binance while taking advantage of its user-friendly interface and low fees in here.